everyone, Namaste. I'm Dr. Yogeshwari. So, we all know that we are unlocking now, and mostly all of us are back to our workplaces, malls have opened up, we started going out a little, and so much more is going on. But this doesn't mean that COVID 19 has left us. So, the safety of ours and our loved ones is completely in our own hands. So today we would be discussing a few important things that you should be doing right now to keep yourselves and your loved ones safe. So let's begin. So the first thing would be to wear a mask. We all know that we should be wearing a mask while we are stepping out of our homes. Wearing is caring. So wear a mask and protect yourself and the ones around you. Also, I would say that once you go to your workplace, please do not remove your mask thinking that I know all these people around me, so I'm safe. We have to prevent any spread of droplets and we do not know who could be a carrier, so please be safe and do wear a mask also at your workplace. The second thing would be, I would say, while you're going out, please wear gloves. While you're going shopping or whatever, do wear your gloves. And once you come back home, please remove them properly, discard them well, and clean your hands properly. Also, when you're wearing your gloves, please do not touch your eyes, nose, mouth, or even the outer surface of your mask. Then, as we know, whatever we are bringing from outside, please disinfect it well and then only use it. Like we were doing earlier, same thing should be followed right now as well. I would also say that you should avoid going to crowded areas right now. Please avoid it. And in fact, I would say, please don't go out of your homes unless and until it is necessary. Just go to your workplace, come back safely. And if it is not necessary, please don't go out. But in case you are going, please, you have to be cautious about maintaining physical distancing. At least 1 meter of distance should be between you and the other person. When we were locked down, we were always, craving to eat something from our favorite restaurant, or we were craving to eat roadside momos or whatever. But right now, if you're craving something, and mostly all restaurants are open, even the street side stalls are there. But I would say, if you're craving something so much and you are really going to eat it, please do it from a trusted source. Also, avoid dining out right now. You can pick up your order, bring it home, discard the containers, reheat it properly, and then eat it safely. Then, something that you all know already. Maintaining good hand sanitization is the key to keep yourself protected. So, clean your hands properly and very often using soap and water. In case soap and water is not available, then you could use an alcohol-based hand rub, but be careful that you should be taking a good amount of it so that it covers all the surfaces of your hands, and you need to spread it, rub it along until your hands are completely dried off. Take care of proper respiratory hygiene. In case you are coughing or sneezing, please be careful that you need to use a tissue paper or a handkerchief. You could discard the tissue paper after that. In case you don't have any, you could use the folded elbow, and sneeze or cough into it. Also, I would say, in case you could not bring your mask down before sneezing, you have sneezed into it, please do not keep on wearing that mask. Remove it, discard it, and wear a fresh one. Your mask hygiene is very, very important. If you are using your reusable mouth mask, I would say use it of cotton-based cloth. Stop using the synthetic ones, as there is a lot of bacterial buildup, and due to the humidity, it would not be good for you. Also, remember to clean your mouth mask properly every day and do keep them out in the sun. And because of the humidity in the monsoon season, maybe you feel that your mouth mask is getting wet. So please do not keep on wearing that mask. Just remove it and wear a fresh one. In case you are someone who is lazy and cannot maintain proper disinfection of the mouth mask, then I would say it is better for you to switch to the disposable ones. Also, when you're wearing the mouth mask, please avoid touching it from outside again and again. Please don't keep it here. Just keep it on your nose and on your mouth area properly. In case you are unwell, please isolate yourself until you are completely fine. And in case you are having symptoms like fever, breathlessness or coughing, please go and visit a doctor, seek medical help and get yourself tested. After you come back home from your workplace, it is very important that you remove your shoes outside. You should come back home, take a bath, wash your clothes properly, and also remember to disinfect your watches and your mobile phones. Lastly, I would say that you should stay updated about the latest information, and you should always take your information from a trusted source, like you should follow WHO or your local authorities like My Government India, your Arogya Setu app, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And please do not follow and spread the fake information through WhatsApp and other social media platforms. So follow a trusted source. I would end by saying that you should stay informed, you should stay alert, you should stay cautious, you should stay supportive and kind, and lastly, you should stay prepared to fight COVID-19. So this is it for this video. Thank you. Take care. Namaste. Bye-bye.